Hey there, future millionaires. Are you tired of being broke? Well, buckle up because today I'm going to share some fun and quirky tips to get rich quick. Spoiler alert, it doesn't involve selling your soul to the devil. Let's dive in. First up, invest in yourself. And no, I don't mean buying a bunch of avocado toast and calling it self-care. Take a course, learn a new skill, or even start a side hustle. Knowledge is power, and power can turn into cold, hard cash. Ever heard of dropshipping? It's like having a store without the whole store part. Second tip, get your budget in check. If you're spending more than you're making, no amount of get-rich-quick schemes will help. Use apps to track your spending and maybe skip that daily $7 latte. Your future self will thank you. Next, let's talk about networking. No, I'm not suggesting you become the next influencer with 1 million followers, but seriously, building genuine relationships can open doors you never knew existed. Attend events, join clubs, or even just chat with your coworkers. You never know who might have that golden opportunity for you. All right, here's a wild one, flip stuff. Not like flipping burgers, although respect if that's your jam. I mean, buy low, sell high. Yard sales, thrift stores, or even online marketplaces are gold mines. You'd be amazed at what people are willing to pay for a Beanie Baby these days. And now, the classic invest in stocks. Before you roll your eyes, hear me out. You don't have to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. Apps like Robinhood and Acorns make it simple for beginners. Start small, do your homework, and watch your money grow. Remember, patience is a virtue. Lastly, embrace your inner entrepreneur. Got a crazy idea? Run with it. Some of the most successful businesses started as wild dreams. Think outside the box, and who knows, you might be the next Jeff Bezos. Just maybe avoid the whole space race thing. So there you have it, folks. Some fun and easy ways to start your journey to wealth. Remember, getting rich quick isn't about shortcuts. It's about smart moves and persistence. And a sprinkle of luck never hurts. Got any tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay savvy and stay fabulous.